blood and lymphatic system. Plasma, plasma. Fibrinogen, fibrinogen. Prothrombin, prothrombin. Serum, serum. Red blood cell, red blood cell. Erythrocyte, erythrocyte. White blood cell, white blood cell. Leukocyte, leukocyte. Neutrophil, neutrophil. Basophil, basophil. Eosinophil, eosinophil. Lymphocyte, lymphocyte. Monocyte, monocyte. Thrombocyte, thrombocyte. Platelet, platelet. Blood group, blood group. ABO blood group, ABO blood group. RH blood group, RH blood group. RH factor, RH factor. Lymphatic capillary, lymphatic capillary. Lymphatic vessel, lymphatic vessel. Lymphatic duct, lymphatic duct. Right lymphatic duct, right lymphatic duct. Thoracic duct, thoracic duct. Lymph node, lymph node. Cervical lymph node, cervical lymph node. Axillary lymph node, axillary lymph node. Inguinal lymph node, inguinal lymph node. Lymphocyte, lymphocyte. Lymphoid cell, lymphoid cell. B cell, B cell. T cell, T cell. Natural killer cell, natural killer cell. Tonsil, tonsil. Adenoid, adenoid. Palatine tonsil, palatine tonsil. Lingual tonsil, lingual tonsil. Thymus, thymus. Vermiform appendix, vermiform appendix. Spleen, spleen. Lacteal, lacteal. Interstitial fluid, interstitial fluid. Lymph, lymph. Immunity, immunity. Natural immunity, natural immunity. Acquired immunity, acquired immunity. Vaccine, vaccine. Allergen, allergen. Vaccination, vaccination. Pathogen, pathogen. Toxin, toxin. Malignant cell, malignant cell. Intact skin, intact skin. Phagocyte, phagocyte. Monocyte, monocyte. Macrophage, macrophage. Dendritic cell, dendritic cell. Complement, complement. Cytokine, cytokine. Interferon, interferon. Interleukin, interleukin. Antibody, antibody. Allergy, allergy. Immunoglobulin, immunoglobulin. Tolerance, tolerance. Human immunodeficiency virus, human immunodeficiency virus. Opportunistic infection, opportunistic infection. Hemochromatosis, hemochromatosis. Leukopenia, leukopenia. Low white blood cell count, low white blood cell count. Polycythemia, polycythemia. Sepsis, sepsis. Septicemia, septicemia. Blood poisoning, blood poisoning. Thrombocytopenia, thrombocytopenia. hemorrhage, hemorrhage. Transfusion reaction, transfusion reaction. Hyperlipidemia, hyperlipidemia. Cholesterol, cholesterol. Leukemia, leukemia. Myelodysplastic syndrome, myelodysplastic syndrome. Multiple myeloma, multiple myeloma. Anemia, anemia. Aplastic anemia, aplastic anemia. Iron deficiency anemia, iron deficiency anemia. Megaloblastic anemia, megaloblastic anemia. Pernicious anemia, pernicious anemia. Hemolytic anemia, hemolytic anemia. Sickle cell anemia, sickle cell anemia. Thalassemia, thalassemia. Hypertension, hypertension. High blood pressure, high blood pressure. Essential hypertension, essential hypertension. Secondary hypertension, secondary hypertension. Malignant hypertension, malignant hypertension. Hypotension, hypotension. Orthostatic hypotension, orthostatic hypotension. Lymphadenitis, lymphadenitis. Swollen gland, swollen gland. Lymphadenopathy, lymphadenopathy. Lymphangioma, lymphangioma. Splenic rupture, splenic rupture. Splenoragia, splenoragia. Splenomegaly, splenomegaly. Lymphedema, lymphedema. Primary lymphedema, primary lymphedema. Secondary lymphedema, secondary lymphedema. Allergic reaction, allergic reaction. Delayed response, delayed response. Localized response, localized response. Systemic reaction, systemic reaction. Autoimmune disorder, autoimmune disorder. Autoimmune disease, autoimmune disease. Immunodeficiency disorder, immunodeficiency disorder. Severe combined immunodeficiency, severe combined immunodeficiency. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Kaposi sarcoma, Kaposi sarcoma. Erythrocyte sedimentation rate, erythrocyte sedimentation rate. Bone marrow transplant, bone marrow transplant. Hemostasis, hemostasis. Plasmapheresis, plasmapheresis. Plasma exchange, plasma exchange. Lymphoscintigraphy, lymphoscintigraphy. Lymphadenectomy, lymphadenectomy. Scratch test, scratch test. Allergen-specific immunoglobulin E blood test, allergen-specific immunoglobulin E blood test. Enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. Western blot test, Western blot test. Angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitor, angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitor. Antihistamine, antihistamine. Antivirals, antivirals. Immunosuppressants, immunosuppressants. Chemotherapy, chemotherapy. Immunotherapy, immunotherapy.